There are two ways for recipients to collect a parcel, using a QR code or a signature. First, let's look at the QR code. The recipient receives a QR code from the Parcel Tracker notification email. They can collect their parcel by presenting their QR code to your staff at the collection point. From the Out tab, select Recipient Checkout and scan the QR code the recipient shows you. Now you can scan the label to log out the parcel. Alternatively, you can select the parcel icon on the top bar to select the parcels you are logging out. Press and hold the log to view parcel details. After selecting the parcels, close the tab, press Next and Check Out to log out the parcel. Next, let's look at signature-based logout. If a recipient does not show their QR code, you can instead look for the recipient in the Search Recipient bar. Again, select the parcels that they are going to collect. When you press Next, the recipient must provide a signature for proof of delivery. To recap, there are two ways to collect parcels. First, through a QR code, and second, you manually look for the recipient and they sign that they have received their parcels. For more guides, check out our tutorials playlist. We also have tutorials for how to set up your account according to your specific use case.